No, she's toxic. But Lauren, I think she's special.
Wow. My dad must be really worried if he encouraged you to drive all the way up here.
Well, he is. And I am too.
It's about me or about us?
Both.
I don't blame you. Well, you tell me you love me, and then I come back with something ridiculous like back at you.
You heard.
Yeah, of course I heard.
You sounded like a stupid little lovesick girl. I wish I could take it back.
Nothing wrong with telling me how you really feel.
But you're going through so much stuff right now. I don't want to complicate things.
It was complicated way before you came. And you have every right to wonder what's going on. Things were going great. You know, and suddenly I lie to you and tell you I'm going to some press junket. It's not cool.
Okay.
No, it's not. I was being selfish.
But you've done so much for me. I mean, because of you, people know who I am and they know my music. That's incredible.
You deserve it.
But then I took advantage of that, and I put you in a corner.
What do you mean?
I broke the rules. I told you I loved you.
Did you mean it?
That's not the point. I don't have the right to expect anything from you. So, I'm glad that you're doing okay. I will tell your dad that he has nothing to worry about, and I will talk to you later.